Okay, now that I restarted it because the light curtain broke, you can see your material going in here. It goes through this nip roller. It gets the holes cut in it at this station. It goes through this nip roller. It then has a perimeter shape cut out of it on this station. Then it goes down this conveyor, which I don't think this will be the final conveyor arrangement, but currently they're coming out shingled like such. But I think we're going to try to limit that shingle as well as get them to stack better. But just with Mitch has been bagging them a little bit and it seems manageable. And I'll show you where the paper comes in. I'm not touching the light curtain. Paper comes in over here and then it goes down. Right now they're actually slitting it because it's too wide for the machine. We won't have to do that though. And then it goes underneath this nip roller where the material's coming in. And it runs underneath this die that's cutting the holes, and it gets reintroduced at this nip roller. And then it goes through here with the material and gets the perimeter shape cut. You recognize those as the same way we apply pressure to our dies on the other rotaries. And then they're also going to introduce web guides, I think, in between now and then. And you see this big vacuum tube here is what is sucking out the slugs. And there aren't slugs all over the floor, so we assume that it's working. Then you have these knobs here. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. And those control the station's right to left registration. So if the part's cutting too close to the right or the left, we can move the actual die right and left. Then you have the coolest part. If you see that green beam of light, that is registering the little tab hole to the die shape, which is that sensor that's right there in the middle, so that it, knows where to cut. And then if you want to get an idea of the whole size of this thing, I have to step back, and you can see that it's about that big in comparison to Mitch and our friend over there. And then if you want to see the back, right? See, that's how Mitch is bagging them up right there. Into the garbage. And then you can see the back. This door closes here. Right? And then this whole piece itself swings closed into this space. And back here you can see all the different servo motors that are powering our machine. And then you got, this is basically what the other thing, looks like there. I'll give you another overall perspective here, and then I think my phone's going to die pretty soon. So you can see, it's a 7-station modular design. So you have a station here that we're not using. And we have that station, that station, that station, that station, that station, and that station, which is 7 total, 6 being on the machine. And we got 3 unwinds, or two unwinds, and that's being used as a rewind, but I think you can use them for however you want. You can also reverse the direction of any one of these stations, so you can do like a fold-over cut where you you start here, then you go through here, then you come back this way or whatever, and then you can, it's crazy. And then you can see there's some spindles, some rewinds or unwinds underneath. We're using one for the slitting that he's doing of the paper. And then that's a web guide right there. I think they're going to add more later. You got that one there. You got that one up there. I think that's just an extra that they're... Oh, here's the interface. Here's the user interface, right? So we'll go to the main screen, and it's really simple and easy. You can see you got that is your power for the spindle, spindle, and spindle, and we're using 4. And so that one and that one are off. And then here are your stations. So you can, I'll explain the gear ratios and stuff when I get there, but that's basically where you turn on and off the different stations. And then there's a lot to it. All right, I think my phone's gonna die, so I'm gonna stop videotaping for now. Oh, and your little jog button to jog the material is right here. And all right.